Hello, in front of me I've got Lenovo Tab P11 Plus. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter display. Now, as you can see right here, we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we've got smart view mode function that you can enable or disable. Next, you can change brightness level of the display manually or via adaptive brightness. Then you can enable or disable eye protection mode and change its intensity. Next, you can enable or disable dark theme. Change system navigation between gesture navigation and free button navigation. Next, you can change color mode between standard bright and color temperature between standard warm and cool. Next, you can change wallpaper, enable or disable double tap to wake and rise to wake, change screen timeout between 15 seconds, 30 minutes or never, enable or disable auto rotate screen, change font size, display size, set screensaver, and in the end you can manage lock screen display. For example, you can change lock screen preferences, enable or disable open the notification center by swiping down, add users from lock screen. Also, you can add lock screen message, enable or disable always on and new notifications. And that's it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.